Hey everyone, welcome to TechTutorials YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download Google Spreadsheet as a PDF. So let's go. I'm going to be showing you quickly. This is a spreadsheet. So whatever you have in your spreadsheet, it's super simple. You want to just click on File and then Download and then go to PDF and export as PDF. Now it will download as PDF and then you can open it as PDF. So this is how you do simply, but I'm also going to be showing you some other things that might be useful for you. For example, this is a big spreadsheet. You have a lot of different things, more text, things like that. But you want to only make this part as your PDF. So how do you do it? In order to do that, you need to just select the part that you want to export as PDF and then go to File, Download, and then again PDF, and then you can see the selected cells right here. Click on selected cells and the paper size. You can select the paper size. If you want to select A4 size, you can select A4 size, and landscape, portrait, whatever you need, and then you just click on export. This will be your PDF. So this is actually the same file, same name, so you can see. I hope this helps. If you still have any problem or questions, you can let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe and hit the like button.